Welcome to our channel. A proper golf fitness routine enhances performance while protecting your body from injury. Follow these steps to create an effective program. Step 1. Begin with a comprehensive warm-up before every practice or round. Spend 10 to 15 minutes performing dynamic stretches targeting your shoulders, hips, and spine. This increases blood flow and prepares your muscles for rotation. Step 2. Incorporate rotational exercises into your routine. Use medicine balls for rotational throws, cable machines for wood chops, and resistance bands for standing rotations. These movements mimic the golf swing and build functional strength. Step 3. Focus on core stability exercises. Planks, bird dogs, and anti-rotation exercises strengthen the muscles that protect your spine during the powerful rotational forces of the golf swing. Step 4. Develop hip mobility and strength. Perform hip flexor stretches, clamshells, and single-leg deadlifts to improve your ability to rotate while maintaining posture and balance. Step 5. Don't neglect flexibility work. Spend time after your workouts performing static stretches for your hamstrings, hip flexors, and thoracic spine to maintain range of motion. Step 6. Schedule regular rest days. Overtraining increases injury risk and diminishes performance. Allow at least 2 rest days per week for recovery. Step 7. Consider working with a golf fitness specialist who can assess your movement patterns and create a personalized program. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.